बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Assalamu alaikum for class. I'm your SSC teacher. Hope you all will be fine. Today we have to start our lesson number 5 of SST, and the chapter name is Forest and Minerals. Forest means place full of trees and mineral means naturally found material. Okay, let's start our first topic of lesson number 5, Forest of Pakistan. A forest is an area covered with high thickness of trees. Forests play an important role in the economic development. Development means progress of a country. Forests are also called the green gold of a country. According to the experts means skillful persons. The area under forest should be at least 25 to 30% of the total area of the country. In Pakistan, the forest area is only 4.5%. However, forests of Pakistan are very rich and present. Present means display a unique blend of trees, shrubs and grass. A variety of animal species means kinds, live across various ecological zones. Climatic area with same characteristics. Characteristics means features of land and weather. From sea level in the south to high altitude in the north. Forest in Pakistan can be classified into 5 border means main groups. These are discussed briefly below. क्लास फॉरेस्ट जो होते हैं ना, पाकिस्तान के जो जंगलात हैं हमारे मुल्क की तरक्की के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा अहमियत होती है उनकी, ठीक है। और यहाँ पे देखो हर किस्म के जंगलात हैं और हर किस्म के जंगलात में डिफरेंट जो काइंड्स होती हैं ट्रीज़ की वो पाई जाती हैं, उसमें ग्रास वगैरह भी होती है। और जो हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स हैं ना, ठीक है, वो ये कहते हैं कि कम से कम हर कंट्री में ना 25 to 30% एरिया जो है ना फॉरेस्ट का होना चाहिए। और जितनी ज़्यादा फॉरेस्ट होती हैं उतनी ही ज़्यादा हम लोग जो है ऑक्सीजन प्रोवाइड करते हैं और ट्रीज़ हम लोगों को, और उतना ही जो है हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर के लिए बेहतरीन होता है। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द डिफरेंट फॉरेस्ट हेयर। First forest is alpine forest. Alpine means relating means heavy link to high mountains. Alpine forests are found at very high elevations in the mountainous regions. Regions means area of Himalaya, Karakoram and Hindu Kush. These forests are called alpine because they grow in conditions similar means same to those in the Alps, a mountain range in Europe. Due to very cold climate on mountains, these trees do not grow properly. Dwarfed trees of silver fir and juniper grow here. Next forest is temperate forest. Temperate forest with mild means gentle temperatures, are mostly evergreen natural forest of conifers. Conifers means a tree which bears mean carries cones and needle like or scale like leaves that are typically evergreen. In the northern mountainous regions of Pakistan and Kashmir, economically conifers forests are more important as they are Pakistan's major source of commercial food. Commercial food means for trading. Next is for class subtropical dry forest. The subtropical dry forests are found in Attock, Rawalpindi, Islamabad, Jhelum and Gujarat districts. Districts means areas of the Punjab and in the Mansehra, Abbottabad, Mardan, Peshawar and Kohar districts of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa up to a height of 1000 meter. In Balochistan they are confined to the Suleiman Mountains and other hilly areas. Next is dry tropical forest. They are most wide means large, spread means area. in the Punjab plains but also occupies small areas in southern Sindh and western Balochistan. They are mainly used for grazing purposes, water shedding and fueling. Fueling means for burning. Here is one amazing facts for you for class. Changamanga, Lahore is the largest main plant and mangrove forest in the world. Changamanga जो है लाहौर में वाक़ है forest, ठीक है, और ये mangrove है, मतलब कि इंसानों ने खुद grow किया हुआ है इसको, and it covers the area of approximately 12,000 acres, ठीक है, और इंसान ने जो खुद से ये forest जो है वो plant किया हुआ है, इसका जो total area है वो कितना है 12,000 एकड़ पर. Next is coastal. Coastal means mangrove forests. Coastal forests are also known as mangrove forests. They are found in the Indus Delta and coastal areas of Arabian Sea around the coast of Karachi and Pasni in Balochistan. They provide food for different kinds of marine life. Next is uses of trees. Trees have many uses, few are as under. Number one is they provide means give fruits, nuts, fresh air, shade and flowers. Number two is trees prevent means protect soil from eroding as the roots hold the soil together. Number three is many important medicines are made from the bark, leaves and the sap. Sap means juice of plant, sap of trees. Number four is they are used in making paper and furniture. Number five is trees maintain means keep the temperature of the earth. They also provide oxygen and observe means suck up carbon dioxide. Next is minerals and their resources. Minerals make up Earth's rocks, sand and soil. They are found on Earth's surface as well as deep underground. Minerals are inorganic substances. Substances means materials which do not come from an animal or a plant. मिनरल्स क्या होते हैं फॉर क्लास? मिनरल्स वो होती हैं जो हमें ज़मीन के नीचे से मिलती हैं, ठीक है, रॉक्स वगैरह में से मिलती हैं. मिनरल्स वो वही चीज़ है जो हमें किसी भी एनिमल्स या प्लांट से नहीं मिलती, ठीक है. एंड मिनरल्स कैन बी क्लासिफाइड मीन्स अरेंज्ड इनटू टू टाइप्स, metallic means having metal and non-metallic minerals. And there are information about the metallic and non-metallic minerals. Number one is metallic minerals, copper. Areas where they are found: copper found in Dera Ismail Khan, and it is used for manufacturing means making of electric wires. Next metallic mineral name is chromite, and it is an area where they are found in Muslim Bagh, Chagi and Khuzdar, and it is used for making of stainless steel and aeroplane structure. Next is non-metallic minerals. Number one is salt. It is found in Khiora mines and it is used for food and medicines. Number two is gypsum, and it is found in Now it's time to solve the workbook work from the page number 22 to 24. Now our first question is choose the correct answer. According to the experts, forests should cover dash of total area of country, and the options are 10 to 15%, 15 to 20%, 25 to 30%, and the correct answer is 25 to 30%. Number two is dwarfed trees of silver fir and juniper grow in dash, and the options are subtropical dry forest, temperate forest, alpine forest, and the answer is alpine forests. Number three is minerals are dash substances, and the options are organic, inorganic, metals, and the correct answer is inorganic. Number four is dash is used in manufacturing of cement and fertilizers, and the options are copper. Number C question is match column A with column B. Column A, forests are called, you have to match this answer to the column B, green gold of a country. Dry tropical forests are used for grazing purposes and fueling. Alpine trees are found at very high elevation. Temperate forests have mild temperature. Salt is used in food and medicines. Okay, now it's page number 24. Give short answers. First question is, why forests are called green gold of Pakistan? And the answer is, forests are also called green gold of country. It is covered with high thickness of trees. The question number 2 is, why minerals are called inorganic substances? And the answer is, these chemicals which do not contain carbon are called inorganic, e.g. ammonia. Next question is, understand the question and answer accordingly. And the question number 3 is, what will happen if there are no trees on the earth? And the answer is, without trees, humans will not be able to survive. The air would be unsuitable for breathing. Question number 4 is, which non-metallic mineral is used in food and medicines? Gypsum or salt? Salt is non-metallic mineral which is used in food and medicines. Now it's time to solve the subjective question on notebook, and for class you have to ready the content page like this. Okay, our first question is, write down uses of trees. And the answer is, they provide fruits, nuts, fresh air, shade and flowers. Many important medicines are made from the bark, leaves and sap of trees. They are used in making paper and furniture. They also provide oxygen and carbon dioxide. Next question is, write down 2 metallic and 2 non-metallic minerals. And the answer is, metallic minerals, copper, Dera Ismail Khan, chromite, Muslim bark, Chaghi and Khuzdar. And the non-metallic minerals, first one is salt, Khioramines, gypsum, district of Mianwali, Jihlam, Bahawalpur, Sibbi and Kohat. Alhamdulillah, for class we had run our 5th chapter. Hope you will learn it. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.